What's up, YouTube? Today I wanted to quickly hop on here just to show you guys about this method I have for getting free water at concerts or any events that you go to for that matter. Everybody knows that water bottles can be 3, 4, 5, sometimes even more at these venues. And as you all know, if you're in an outdoor venue or even at a concert where you're moving around a lot in the pit, you're going to be drinking a lot of water. So this stuff could add up and you could be spending over $30 a day on water, sometimes even more depending on how much you drink. But with this method that I've found over the years, it's worked. I would say 99% of the time. Sometimes you'll get an asshole that doesn't allow you to do it, but it works, trust me. And also, if you're wondering what's in the background of this, these are all videos I've taken from concerts I've been at, just to kind of show my resume of all the concerts I've been to. I also would like to preface this method with saying, if you are somebody that gets disgusted by a lot of germs or tap water in specific, like you don't want to drink tap water, I don't really understand people like this, but this method isn't really going to be for you. Although you aren't drinking directly from the tap, the water that you're getting is still tap water either way. Not gonna lie though, I have been desperate sometimes where I just drink straight from the tap. It doesn't really bother me. But anyway, for the method itself, so essentially you're just gonna head to the bar or any other place they're serving food for that matter and drinks, and you're just gonna ask them for a cup of ice. Now, some of them might be hesitant to do this, but if you could back it up with a good explanation and say something like, oh, like I just ordered a beer or something and it already got cold, or I just ordered any drink and it already got cold, I just want a cup of ice with it, more than likely they'll compromise and just give you the cup of ice because they think that you're a paying customer if you lie to them, or even if you were a paying customer. Then it's pretty self-explanatory from here. You could just take your cup of ice and just go over and fill it up from the tap and just keep on refilling, and you will have cold water for the rest of the night. I mean, obviously, if you go back into the pit or something, you're not going to want to just put it somewhere. You're just going to have to get a fresh one, but that's all right. There's plenty of bartenders out there. I wouldn't do it on the same one, but you could just find another one and just execute the same strategy. I know that might be kind of confusing, but if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below, and I'll be sure to help you out or explain anything that needs clarification. Also, if you stuck it with me this long and you were in the market for a new pair of headphones, my favorite headphones, the Beats Solo 3, I use these for gym and everyday use. They just went on sale on Amazon. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in them. I've had them for over 3 years now, and I really think it's a solid investment, especially if you like music. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.